Joel Rich. I'm the production manager, and I've worked for IAC just over 4 years. We do aircraft refinishing, OEM. We have some specialized business as well, but pretty much paint aircraft parts from start to finish. The majority of our customer base, 737, 700s through 900s, and we also handle the MAX line as well. About 4 at a time across the 2 hangars. Every 5 to 6 days, one of those planes is cycling out for a new one. So we got Southwest, Alaska, a lot of Boeing, brand new aircraft that we paint for them, all of their customers. We have like repair station manual, that kind of stuff, and some specs we have to meet to hold that license. So we'll be refinishing this aircraft. So we'll be getting rid of the old paint scheme, applying the new Hart scheme, and you'll see us strip the aircraft, sand it down. But we also exclusively use your Dynabrade sanders. When a plane comes in, out of 3 days, 60 hours they'll be in use sanding out of those 3 days. It's rough. I mean, there's 10 to 12 hours per shift. They're grinding away on the wings, start to finish. The durability is very high. Durability is key. That's kind of what I was getting at a second ago. When we switched from other sanders to your sanders, there's a marked improvement for sure. And I think out of the 20 sanders that we've had for months, one of them has broke, and it's because we dropped it. Any percentage of dust that is left out there can increase the percentage chance of there being contamination in the final finish for sure. So the more we can capture, the better, absolutely. Inefficient from a standpoint is it uses an awful lot of our air, and we can't have as many workers on the aircraft at one time. The rudder sanding will take 8 to 10 hours for sure, depending on how much paint is on the rudder, for sure, yeah. One on each side. We keep that specific one unit to capture it, yeah, top to bottom. And part of the Dynabrade stuff is the new testing for the rudder weight capture, so we can do weight and measure on that with the new system. Airworthiness is huge. The more exact we can get the calculation for the rudder weight, so meaning the material we're taking off, the systems of paint we're taking off, and then we weigh what we put back on, that's huge. No adjustments needed. It was pretty much plug and play. That's absolutely what we need. We need to be able to plug it in and know it's going to work and go to work. The perfect finish begins and ends with Dynabrade.